Alright guys, welcome back to Redneck Garage. Today we're going to show you how to press in a ball joint. Now pressing in a ball joint is the same way as pressing it out. Sometimes you can smack them out with a hammer, etc. Now, Main Street Cycle sent us over some ball joints, hooked us up. They hooked us up on basically everything that we needed to do these. So if you need a part or something, go on over there and check them out for sure. And if you're just curious on what a ball joint part number is for CFMOTO ZForce machines, this may be the same that they're using for the CForce and the UForce. I'm not sure. But part number is 9030-050600-10,000. And they have an old part number that is 9030-050600-1. So, yeah, anyway. Let's get to it, guys. Thanks for stopping in. So, guys, you're going to want to get a ball joint press. But my ball joint press don't have the proper tools for the size of these ball joints. So what I did was I got an 1.25 inch socket to put behind the ball joint. This is the top, this is the bottom. So here's our C-clip. Let's get it on there real quick. Okay, now that we got all of our ball joints in, I'm going to show you how to put these new sleeves in, because I know that you're going to be needing them. So, we want to do a little bit of grease. Just a little bit of grease until okay, so just a little bit of grease. We're going to put those on there. I'm going to slide those in there. And there we go. It's in. Okay. So, to keep it from happening, you're going to want to get some Permatex Anti-Seize lubricant. And we're going to coat this bolt really, really good. We're going to not get the threads though. Just like so. You can get it really good. Just like that. Then we're going to put our A-arm up here. Like so. Gonna stick her in there. There we go. Now let's get it all back together. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Redneck Garage Edition 800EX. So we got the fronts done. Now, I apologize I didn't get a whole lot of camera footage, but, you know, at least I showed you guys how to get out stuck bolts and how to do your bushings and all that stuff. So, hey, at least you got to see that, guys. I want to thank you guys for stopping in. I want to thank Main Street Cycle for sending me these A-arms and all the bushings and the ball joints and everything I needed to get this job done. I really thank them and I really appreciate them helping me out with doing some videos for you guys. It's truly appreciated. It really saves me a lot and really, you know, helps me get more content out. So, without further ado, guys, I'm going to continue on the rear I'm not going to record that because it's going to be pretty much the same as this, but I want to say thank you to Main Street Cycle for sending me the control arms, the bushings, the ball joints, everything we needed. Everything under this machine is all brand new. Thanks to them for letting me do these videos and everything and working with them. It's super awesome. They're super nice people. If you need anything for your CFMOTO, make sure to give them a call first. I guarantee they have it on the shelf. They had everything on the shelf, ready to go. I had everything within a reasonable amount of time. Usually it was like 2 days shipping to me, so that was sweet. On the exception of the bushings that I needed, the extra bushings that I needed, and it wasn't their fault. It was the mail. Our mail around here is ridiculous right now, so keep that in mind, guys. If you're having a hard time getting a package, it's usually not the shipper. It's the people who are handling it to bring it to you. Mind blown. I don't get it. I also want to throw a shout out to Procore Power Equipment. They're in New Philadelphia, Ohio. And they have a ton of parts in a warehouse here in Ohio, 5 minutes away from them. I needed bolts and the sleeves. Now originally I reached out to Main Street Cycle and he was going to send me some, but then Procore said they had some and it was a 20-minute drive. I could pick them up, so I was really trying to get the videos out for you guys today. Huge shout out to them. They actually hooked us up on everything. They recognized who I was over the phone. That's pretty sweet. Thank you guys. That makes me happy, actually. Means my videos are working. So they hooked us up on all the bolts and everything. It was just sweet. So huge shout out to them. If you need any CFMOTO parts and you're local and you want to be able to pick them up, definitely call them for sure. But if you're local to Main Street Cycle and you want to pick them up, call them too. So that's awesome. 2 different states. We have big warehouses. That's just sweet. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I wanted to address something. I get a lot of messages, and normally I don't push this stuff, but I get a lot of messages. I mean a lot of people asking me how they can send me things or donate to the channel. Now, sending me stuff, I really don't like to give out my address. I will to certain people. I thought about a P.O. box, but it kind of costs money, and I don't know if it's even worth it. Maybe we'll look into it. I'll keep you guys in touch with that. As for donating to the channel, hey, maybe we can do like an Amazon locker pickup thing or something. I don't know. We'll work something out. I know I got a ton of people asking me, so I got to work on that, I guess. I guess it's about time we do that. As for people asking me how to donate to my channel, there's 2 ways. There's PayPal, and I'll link my email right here in the video. And there's a Patreon page. You can find my email and that Patreon page down in the link below in the description. It's down there. Check it out. Make sure you're subscribed. And I also get a lot of questions on, hey Redneck, where do you get them shirts at? Where do you get them stickers at? Well, down below the videos is a link to my store. I have an Amazon store. You can open up and check all kinds of things out that I put in there. Most of it is stuff that I own and I've used, so I know it's worth it. Some of it not, but most of it is. And also my store for my shirts and stickers and all of that is down below there also. You'll find all that stuff. So I want to take this moment and thank you guys for bringing the channel where it is today. You guys don't even know how much I appreciate it. I want to grow big. I want to put CFMOTO on the map. I'm so tired of all the crap talkers with the other brands. It just mind blows me of how many people talk crap about a certain brand. That's like me having a Chevy. I'm a Ford guy too, but I own a Chevy. My wife owns a Kia. Who cares? If you like it, buy it, drive it. If you can't sit down and shut up, you don't belong on my channel, and you will not last here at all, because I'm going to start blocking people that are crap talkers. And that goes through in the groups too. Like that CFMOTO owners group. That group should be a CFMOTO haters group. I don't get it. You know, a lot of us don't like Polaris, but there's a big reason for that. They have a lot of issues, and I know, there's more machines, there's more issues. I don't care. The issues that they have, I don't know. I like Razors. I really do. But I wish Polaris would really step up their game, because I think they can make a good quality machine. So, anyway, quit being a shit talker and just enjoy the frickin' sport. I'm out of here. Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.